So if you guys have a vehicle and you want to see how to replace the hood strut support because the hood doesn't stay up, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. If you guys have a vehicle, new or modern vehicle guys, most of them come with hood strut supports, right? That's supposed to hold the hood when you open it, but check what happens. After a while they fail. So in this video today we will explain how to replace the hood strut support. We will also put guys information in the video where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free videos on every single car. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, codes, almost anything you can think of. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, that way we can keep making them absolutely free. So guys, how we replace the hood strut support? Some vehicles nowadays will have one hood strut support or two of them. Now if you have one, you're lucky because it will be cheaper, it will be easier, it will be way more financially guys stable situation. So what you need to do, this is the new one. Now those are gas shocks guys that eventually they do fail. How long they last? Anywhere between, I know this, 8 and 10, 12 years. This one is 19 years. It's still barely holding. Summertime holds, but wintertime doesn't. Now I want to show you here, you have the spring guys, okay, you can see. Now if you lift the hood a little bit up, okay, you're going to get a little bit of play. So you need to lift it just a little bit up, one person to support it, you're going to get that spring and you're going to push it out. Careful not to come out all the way, you don't need to, and you pull it out. The same thing you need to do on the bottom side guys. Right here, okay, we have one more spring, okay, and that spring came out just like this one. Now remember how you remove it. The new one needs to be installed in exactly the same way. So what we are going to do now guys, okay, here the spring is in. You can see all that is in. What we need to do now, you may need to grease and wipe the old grease here, but you just push it in, it will click. Perfect. Make sure all the ends are screwed in. Now we need to lift up, wipe the old grease, put new grease, find the sweet spot where it goes in, push and test it. Try to yank it out by hand a little bit. If it doesn't, you're good to go. Now let me show you guys. You'll be amazed. The first time you replace those, you're gonna have a heart attack when you open your hood, and I'll explain why. Check this thing out now. I thought it was going to go to space. Like, it's like nuts. Watch, but it stays up. And it takes quite a bit of effort actually to close that hood. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.